So many Nigerians have the mentality of slave. Slave is not when they put chain in your hand. Slave is not when people will come out and put gun in your head, or when people will come out and match your head. Slave is a mentality. So many Nigerians have the slave mentality, and that is what is worrying us today. So many people will just come out, no, I won't be able, no, let me just stay like this. So, and the same person can't afford fuel for his generator. The same person don't know that the oil well in your country belongs to you as a citizen. The person don't even know that even though you are sick, you don't have money as a citizen, you're supposed to access your health care. The person don't know. They don't know that even though your children, you don't have money for school, they ought to go to school. Government will cater for them because they are citizens and they have the right to go to school. The person don't know. But the only thing he will say, oh, I don't know, let us just do that, let us just not protest, so I don't want wahala. That was what many people from the Middle Belt did. And today, the terrorists came, they chased them away from their land. I am telling you one thing, nobody will give you freedom. Nobody is going to give you freedom. Nobody will give you anything. You've got to take the freedom yourself. And every day, I am always telling people this. When the government fear the people, there is liberty, there is freedom. But when the people are afraid of the government, there is tyranny, there is oppression. And the people of Nigeria, they have been fearing the government right from onset. But the time has come that we must make sure that we liberate ourselves from every fear. Because when you are fearful, when you are afraid of anything you are doing, you will see that you will remain in bondage. And almighty Nigeria that have crude oil, that have everything, nobody is asking question, why is our currency crushing? No, why is our currency crushing? Because the majority of our money we are getting is in the hands of politicians. And politicians are converting it to dollar and they are using it abroad. Nobody want to ask question. Everything they know is that, oh, people who want to protest, it's a protest of nonsense, is this, is that. I will look at them, I will laugh. See, people who are calling for protest, not because they are hungry, but they have come to realize and they have tasted what freedom is. People in Nigeria are in bondage. If you have tasted freedom, nobody will ask you to agitate. Nobody will ask you to protest. It is because you have not tasted freedom. Any slave that refuses to rebel does not deserve pity. Many Nigerians don't deserve pity. And that is why Buba Galadima said, if they are hungry, let them die. It is their fault. You will see somebody today, like as we are preparing for protests, so many people have gone through the back to collect money so that they can advocate that protest is wrong, that people should not protest. They have collected money, but give them 7 months. Give them only 7 months. That money they collected, they will start lamenting. Oh, food price is high, electricity is high, the electricity fee is high, the fuel is high, the money has finished, right? The money you collected during election, where is it? The money you collected during election to betray your conscience, where is the money? And now you are suffering, right? Now, so many people are dying. So many people died today. So many people died yesterday. Last week, I can't count. I was taking the statistic of people that died in Nigeria last week. It was around 270. I have the statistics, I have the record. I was too busy. Other ones that haven't, I couldn't take the record. In Nigeria, every week, almost 300 people are dying. I'm not talking about people who are in old age or people who die in sickness in hospital. I'm talking about people who were sleeping, hoping to wake up, but something happened in the midnight. They claim they killed them. I'm talking about people that terrorists have removed them from their ancestral home. And people are here telling us that protest is not important. Well, for me, if the protest is not important, the only thing you have to do is to remain in bondage. But you know what? Everyone is not meant for bondage. There are some people that God created them to be free. That is the kind of person I am. I am created to be free. I cannot be in bondage. Now, I gave you a story yesterday when I had an accident in Nigeria. I was taken to Wanero General Hospital around 4 p.m. on Saturday. They could not treat me. They said I should bring money first. And I was bleeding to death. That is not a country. That is not a... We don't have a working system. We don't have a working system at all. Now, someone is asking a question. He says, during Buhari, you did not call for protest. Now, you want to protest. See, my dear brother, Ihedora Chukode, This is an ignorance to say that during Buhari, people did not call for protest. How many times? How many times? Or you don't even know that it was during Buhari that NSAS protests happened. You don't know. You are saying during Buhari, you did not call for protest. Now you are calling for protest. So you don't know that it was during Buhari NSAS protests happened. So you people, that is why I said so many people have a slave mentality. Don't act according to your emotion. Act according to fact. Act according to what is happening. You just prove that you don't even know anything about Nigeria at all. So you don't know that the answers that happened few years ago, that is during Buhari regime, you are saying people did not call for protest during Buhari regime. See, during Buhari regime experienced the highest protest. During Goodluck Jonathan experienced even more protests than Buhari. Even Tinubu sponsored the protest. Today, Tinubu said that, yes, I sponsor protests against military and against some regime, but I sponsor a peaceful protest. That was what Tinubu said. And some people are defending rubbish. The person who you call your president is telling you that, yes, he protested, he sponsored protests against people. And you are here saying, why is it that people did not do this, people did not do that? You know what? This is a lesson to people. We are going to learn in a hard way. Nigeria deserves to suffer more because many people don't know. They don't know anything at all about freedom. They don't know anything about freedom. Now, what we are saying is that, you see, we are going to do this peacefully. We don't need anything violence. The greatest power of the people is the ability to get what they want without sharing blood. Your greatest power is in your ability to get everything you demand. We will bring the government to their knees. We are not going to leave the streets until the demand is met. We are not going to be violent. If any people want to be violent, it is the duty of police to pick them up. But we are not among them. And we are going to do our constitutional duty. And when people are saying, during this you did not protest, during this you did not protest, they forget that protest is a constitutional right. Let's have a call. Good morning, sir.
Hey, how are you?
I am fine. Please tell us your name and where you are calling from.
This is Sam.
We didn't hear you well. Your name and where you are calling from, sir.
Sam from Ikwere. Sam from Ikwere.
From Ikwere.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
From Ikwere.
Okay, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Talk to us.
Yeah, from the US.
All right.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you clearly. Talk to us.
Okay. Well, I'm watching your program. So delighted. You're doing a very good work.
Thank you.
Very good work.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your support.
I mean, anybody looking at you, you're not hungry, and you get good from back from Nigeria right now. And I choose honesty. You're looking out for me. I'm glad you're doing that.